Hey gang, welcome to another episode of Your Costco Today. Today we're looking at a Braun razor. Yes, I love Braun. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Full unboxing. Let's get to the video. Hey gang, thanks for tuning in to your review channel. Today we're looking at a razor from Braun. This is a Costco purchase. Just to let you know, I did get this at Costco. I needed a new razor, and I love Braun. I'm a huge Braun fan for years. So this is the new one that they're carrying right now. It's the Series 9 Sport Plus. That's what it says. That's what it says on the box. It's a great razor, great head on this razor. Let's take a quick look at it. 4+1 synchronized shaving elements, 40,000 cross-cutting action, which is really cool. Auto-sensitive, wet or dry, which is awesome. 60-minute shave time and you get a 5-minute quick charge. So if you need a quick charge, get yourself up and running really quickly. It's 100% waterproof. It's got all the bells and whistles, but this kit's really cool. Let's take a quick look at it. I want to show you. So they put in it's a big ass box for a small, but this is what they do, I guess, maybe for maybe theft purposes. Huge package, and it's all in here, right in this little box. The box open, it does come with a manual and how to use the actual shaver itself, and also the cleaner itself. This is a clean wet system, just so you know. So take this out. So usually in the kit, it usually comes just like this here, as you can see. They do give you one solution that comes in the kit. This is the wet shave solution that cleans it. This is from Braun itself. It does come with a power cord and charging cord, and I'll show you that in a minute how that works. The razor's in here. Does come with the razor. The razor comes in a travel pouch. It is a cleaning brush. And we'll put this all to the side, and the actual module itself, charging and cleaning. So let's open this up quickly together. I'll show you this. Okay, guys, so here we go. So here's a little kit, little manual in here, a little thing about what to do or not to do. Put that to the side. So here it is right here. So it gives you all the indications actually on the device itself. Tells you how much solution is left. Tells you what it's charged. And to open this up, a little button in the back here, you just press this button. This is spring loaded, so you can see that. So what you do is you just pop this off when you're ready. This opens up the liquid. You basically slide this in, just like that there. Then you close it down with that out of the way. It'll go in there. And that's how you load the cartridge into the actual caddy itself. So that's easy enough. Okay, and it tells you when it needs to be changed. I typically notice around 10 cleanings roughly. And then you have to change these cartridges. They do run out pretty quickly. And it's alcohol based, and the alcohol does evaporate and cleans the razor. Does a great job, lubricates it, does everything that it does, but you have to keep buying these. And I find the aftermarket ones work just as well. So you can get these online as well, Amazon. And I'll leave a link down below for this razor. If it's not the exact one, but it'll be close enough. It'll be the same brand and the same quality. And also I'll leave a link for these down below as well. And here is the razor itself. It's very lightweight, just so you know. Super lightweight. It's got the sport mode here. It's really kind of cool. It needs to be charged. Okay. So what this button here does, so I'm just going to show you this button here. This locks the head. Some people, if you don't want the head to flex, you lock the head. This is the trimmer. You press the button right here for the trimmer. It activates the trimmer. And I use this all the time. This is a great trimmer for mustache, sideburns, things like that. This works really well. Put that down, and here is the head itself. And the head itself is really good. Let me open this up. Now to open up the head, you just pinch the sides like this here, and here is the head. Here is the razor. It's fantastic. I get really good shaves out of these blades. They last about a year. I get about a year out of it. You could get more, maybe 2 years, depending on how much hair you have and how often you clean it. Super easy to clean, super easy to use, and this is how you put it together. And then you just put it in here, and once you pop it in there, it'll start going through a cycle and charging and getting everything ready. But I love the cool look to it. I love this gold, very sharp looking. I love the two-tone of it. I love the case. The case is great for traveling. Easy case. And the charger. So the charger, you can actually just two things. Now this charger, when you travel, you need to take this with you if you need it for a long period of time. So this will plug in here. Find the plug, here it is, under here. So this will plug under here. So this goes here as well. So this will plug into the actual module, into the caddy. Or if you're traveling, it plugs into the razor, like this here. So I've noticed over the years, these are getting cheaply made, a little bit cheaper. The old ones were a little bit more beefy, if you know what I'm talking about. But this seems, again, you're not really using this a lot. You're really using the caddy. So it really shouldn't be much of an issue, but so far so good. So I'm going to just give this a full test. I'm going to try it out. Just want to do a quick unboxing, show you what they have here. Check out Costco. They have this right now. It is on sale for $149, and it's well worth it. The Braun's, if you have any issues at all, you can reach out to Braun directly. And also, with Costco, you have an unlimited return policy, especially with razors and things of that nature. If you're not happy with this anytime, if it breaks anytime, bring it back and you'll get your money back. No questions asked. That's why we love Costco. So we love shopping at Costco. We'll pay more because you get more. Remember that. Customer service is super important, and product brand quality, loyalty. If you love a product and something happens to it and you want to return it, Costco will say no problem. That's the only company who does that as far as I know. So if you know anybody else, leave a comment down below. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you enjoy my content. I just want to do a quick unboxing and show you that. And I'm going to do another review on this, so subscribe to the channel, and I'll give you my thoughts on how it works and the functionality and so forth. And until the next one, I appreciate it as always, and I'll see you at the next review. And also, check out the links down below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It means a lot to me, as always. I appreciate it, and I'll see you at the next one.